What if one of the most powerful people in the world was working for another country all along? What if Donald Trump, yes, the former US president, was actually a Russian agent? Sounds like a Hollywood thriller, right? But this theory has been making headlines, investigations, and debates for almost a decade. So today, we're diving deep. Is Trump really a Russian agent? Before we get into the juicy details, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This one's going to get intense, and by the end, you might just see Trump in a whole new light. Where did this rumor come from? The theory started heating up during the 2016 US presidential election, when Donald Trump surprised the world by winning against Hillary Clinton. Many were shocked and started digging. Soon, US intelligence agencies revealed that Russia had interfered in the 2016 election through hacking, fake news, and online propaganda. And here's where things got interesting. Trump had praised Vladimir Putin multiple times. He even publicly said in 2016, "Russia, if you're listening, I hope you can find Hillary's emails."
Russia, if you're listening, I hope you're able to find the 30,000 emails that are missing. I think you will probably be rewarded mightily by our press.
Was he joking or sending a signal? The Steele dossier and FBI investigation. In 2017, something explosive came out. The Steele dossier, compiled by a former British spy, it claimed Trump had deep ties to Russian officials and even suggested Russia had compromising material on him. Though unverified, this triggered the FBI's counterintelligence investigation into Trump's connections with Russia. Later, the Mueller report was released after 2 years of investigation. So what did Mueller find? Yes, Russia interfered in the election. Yes, Trump's campaign had several contacts with Russians. But they couldn't prove that Trump or his team conspired with Russia. So technically, Trump was cleared of criminal charges. But many experts say the report didn't exactly prove innocence either. Suspicious behavior that raises eyebrows. Trump constantly refused to criticize Putin. Even when Russia attacked Ukraine, he even tried to keep his one-on-one meeting with Putin in 2018 private, with no American officials present. He once called the FBI treasonous for investigating him. During a NATO summit, he appeared more friendly to Russia than America's own allies. And don't forget, Michael Flynn, Trump's first national security advisor, had to resign for lying about his calls with the Russian ambassador. Coincidence? Or cover-up? What Trump and his supporters say. Trump has always denied these claims. He calls them fake news, witch hunts, and deep state conspiracy. Many of his supporters believe this is just political warfare by the media and his enemies. And to be fair, no direct evidence has ever been proven in court. So, is he a Russian agent? Here's the truth. There's no solid proof that Trump is officially a Russian agent. But there's a mountain of suspicious behavior, weird coincidences, and eyebrow-raising decisions. Is it politics? Is it strategy? Or is it something more? We may never get a clear answer. But one thing is certain, the Trump-Russia mystery isn't going away anytime soon. So, what do you think? Is it all just politics, or is there really something shady going on? Let us know in the comments. And if this video made you think twice, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We've got more shocking stories coming your way. See you in the next one.